Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda CB500F. This bike is equipped with ABS brakes. It's got some great aftermarket features on this twin-cylinder 500 liquid-cooled fuel injection. It's got adjustable levers, frame sliders by Yoshimura, a fantastic sounding Delkevic exhaust system, and it's got brand new Metzler Sport Tech M7RR. Only 9,000 miles on this gorgeous satin black Honda CB500F. Lightweight, naked sport bike. Price to sell. Come by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Nice. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.